Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Hiboko's front tie black shirt. It's a long sleeve. And ooh, it's off the shoulder as well. Some of my favorite things. Front and back. You can see the material is like a striped, not terribly stretchy, so it's a little bit more form-fitting. The V goes all the way down to like mid-cleave, so it gives like, it's a little sexy. Sleeves look like this, bottom looks like that. Oh, I think it's rounded actually. So let me just go ahead and try it on. So there were no zippers, no ties, no anything. You just simply slip it on. So these are all stretchy as well. In general, super sexy, off the shoulders a little bit. You know, got these things going on. As I said, the front is a little bit rounded, and so is the back. For more information about this V, please make sure to check out the links below. For more product reviews, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.